Welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a positive and blessed day today. In today's video, let's talk about how emotions can help or hurt how you manifest. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel to get more vids like this. So, why is it important to feel the emotions that we want when it comes to manifestation? Well, your emotions are directly correlated with your energetic vibrations. Our human mind has over 70,000 thoughts a day. If all of our thoughts consistently came true, there would be a lot of events that we wouldn't particularly want. So what actually creates your reality is what's in your subconscious mind that you might not even be consciously aware of until you bring your awareness and attention to these thoughts. The actual feelings that underline the thoughts that you're thinking. So for example, if you're thinking about $1 million, you're not necessarily gonna attract it, unless you actually believe and feel that you're about to manifest it. You need to have this feeling behind it being possible, then trust and release that feeling. It's the emotions that's tied behind it. What are your thoughts about this topic to begin with? You need to go more into the subconscious thinking that you might not normally think about. If you want to attract money, but there's an underlying thinking of, you could never have that much money. Or you don't deserve that amount of money. These are the actual feelings that are pushed behind that thought. Therefore that's what you will manifest, the actual feelings behind it, your actual belief structure behind the thought. So it's not actually the thought that's creating your reality, it's everything behind the thought. That's why when you do affirmations, it's to help get rid of the negative thought, but also the feelings of not having, or feeling like you don't deserve it. It's all about your belief structures and the feelings that you have behind those thoughts. Remember, the universe is like a mirror. If you believe you don't deserve the amount of money you want, or that it only happens for certain people, your reality will mirror that back to you. If you believe and feel that you are a millionaire, even if you're not yet, the universe has to mirror that into your reality. So you manifest in your reality, by changing the belief structure behind the actual thought. Yes, your thoughts do create your reality in a sense, because you need to be thinking about the thing, in order to have an emotional reaction come up about them, in order to create a belief structure in the first place. But your past might influence your current belief structures about the future. Your past might tell you that manifestation doesn't even work, which your reality will continually show you that. Until you change the belief structure behind that. If you believe that manifestation works, it will work. When you believe it works, reality will prove to you and give you situations and circumstances in your life that back it up. But when you don't believe, it will also do the same as when you believe, but it will give you circumstances that it doesn't work, although that's still essentially a manifestation still working and doing its job. It depends on what you believe, and your entire structure behind those thoughts that you're thinking. So once you change your mindset, and also yourself to being worthy, and feeling like you deserve that thing, and knowing and trusting that it can happen to you, you will open up that energy and vibrational frequency to align with who you are. Which will start attracting experiences to you that will bring you toward that experience. So that goes with anything, money, or whatever you desire. Yes, it is something that usually takes a little bit of time and convincing, but it's also allowing that belief and working through the obstacles, and the current belief system. But once you change your belief system, it will change your reality. Confront the current belief system, by assuring that, that's your old belief, it's in the past, I am different now, therefore I will attract a different outcome. Fill yourself with good thoughts and emotions, and change your core belief system structure, by facing them. By trying to attract experiences that can change those belief systems as well. And this will change your reality. Take back your power. Reclaim right now by saying, I reclaim my power to feel whatever emotions I want to feel right now. Now, begin to think about the things you're trying to manifest and call into your life. What feelings or emotions would you have once you have these things? Maybe, abundance, freedom, love, or joy. Also, what are the emotions that you love to be in? inspiration, hope, excitement, etc. Think back to the last time you felt that emotion and get vivid in your sense. Now bring to mind that specific memory. Once you set the stage, remember what you smelled. What did you hear? What did you feel? What you're going to feel is your desired emotions, and that will show you how powerful your subconscious mind is. The best thing about the subconscious mind is that it doesn't know the difference between your imagination or your reality. So the more you can bring this emotion that you're thinking into mind, the more it will become normal to bring up this emotion. What are things that light you up, and get you connected to these emotions? Get really clear about what you can do and be, every single day, in order to make this desired emotion a norm. You can also write out a clear list of all the different things that you can focus on, whether they are specific thoughts, beliefs, or ways of being. Any things that get you into your desired emotions. Then do that, to embody that desired emotion, to embody the practice, the actions, and the being. In order to get yourself feeling that way. Also think about the people, places, and environments that you can be in and be around that allow you to feel your inspired emotion. It's really important that we identify the people who are draining our energy, and making it difficult for us to step into our desired emotions, and setting boundaries around it. We have to make sure that we are only putting ourselves in environments, and around people who are going to support all these emotions. If you liked today's video, on how emotions can help, or hurt your manifesting, please remember to like, and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. Until next time, we send you love and positivity.